lovely and gorgeous ladies. How are you doing all? Hope you all are doing fine and healthy. I'm at Grand Mandir store to showcase beautiful, my most all-time favorite, and I would love to showcase and I love to flaunt this sarees and the kalamkari sarees. Let's start with the Mali Queens. Back to our collection. Let's start with my sari. Very pretty beige kalamkari silk sari. Pure silk with all over florals, elephants. Everything is in hand paint. And beautiful border, zari border, cross cutty. It's a kanchipattu sari. Beautiful pallu. Wow. Very lovely Radha Krishna, very devotional, so beautiful andi. Blouse vachesi self color blouse, self plain with borders. The sari pricing and details. The sari pricing and details. Take a screenshot like this and send us on 733 733 7000. And before going to see the another sari, to follow us regularly in Instagram and Facebook, that is Grand Mandir Queen. To subscribe our channel Grand Mandir in YouTube and press the bell icon so that whenever we upload new collection, you will be getting notified. Let's see another sari. Wow. Very pretty sari. It's a Mahindi green, pure tussar silk sari, all over sari lines. Along with the kalamkari hand painted florals, leaf buttas, birds and kadhi border here. Pallu, gorgeous pallu here. Yeah. Vachinandi kalankari rangane nenu ila chupiste kaani din beauty anedi ardham avadu. Beautiful god motifs and downside zari lines. It's a contrast black color border. Too good kada. Blouse vachesi black color, florals, zari lines and border. Sari pricing and details. Only 10,800 and very reasonable. Take a screenshot along with the code AH340. It's a pure kalamkari tussar silk sari. Next sari. It's a blue with black combination, all over floral jal with kalamkari hand paint. Beautiful border with peacocks and florals, and we got a plain black color border in the end. Pallu, it's a pure kalamkari silk sari. Beautiful peacocks in the pallu. Blouse, contrast beige with floral buttas and border. Sari pricing and details. 6,400. Take a screenshot along with the code AH337. Next sari, and we ship globally within Hyderabad. We are providing cash and delivery option. very pretty red color saree. Wow. అచ్చా ఒక గోకులం లాగా ఉందండి. థీమ్ అంతా వచ్చేసి బేబీ కృష్ణ matkas and the butter matkas here. How beautiful, how gorgeous. Trees, coconut trees. So lovely and devotional. Very classy. And kaddi border. It's a pure silk sari, pattu sari, and this is the pallu. This is the beauty of pallu. Lord Krishna motif. పక్కన గోవులు ఉన్నాయండి. డౌన్ సైడ్ అంతా గాడ్ మోటివ్స్ వచ్చాయి. And this is the blouse. Contrast black color with all over kalamkari hand paint florals with border. Sari pricing and details. 51,510. Take a screenshot along with the code MJ2226. ఇదంతా హ్యాండ్ పెయింటింగ్ అండి. కృష్ణ కానీ గోవుల్ కానీ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ టీమ్ మొత్తం ఇట్స్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ ఇస్ ఇన్ హ్యాండ్ పెయింట్. సో మచ్ ఆఫ్ హార్డ్ వర్క్స్ అండ్ సో మెనీ డేస్ టు డూ వన్ సారీ అనమాట. ఒక్కసారి చేయడానికి ఆల్మోస్ట్ 6 months to 7 months పడుతుంది ఇలాంటి బ్యూటిఫుల్ సారీస్ క్రియేట్ చేయడం. నెక్స్ట్ సారీ Bhagalpuri kalamkari. Wow, it's a very pretty blue, light blue, very beautiful. All over anta beautiful ladies vacharu. And this is the border, kaddi border. Pallu plain kaddi border, zari lines, kalamkari floral border. Blouse contrast with zari lines and border. $13,920. Take a screenshot along with the code AD557. Beautiful. Next saree. Very pretty peach pink, lovely silk matkas saree. All over florals, butterflies with kalamkari hand paint and beautiful floral border with lighter peach on the border. It's a bit darker. And this is the pallu with lovely ladies here. Blouse pale yellow, all over florals. Sari pricing and details. 12,640. Take a screenshot along with the code O375. It's a pure silk sari andi. Next sari. Chala lightweight. Actually, నేను కట్టుకుంది బిన్నీ క్రేప్ ఫ్యాబ్రిక్ అండి. బిన్నీ క్రేప్. ఇట్ ఇస్ వెరీ సాఫ్ట్. నెక్స్ట్ సారీ లవ్లీ సిల్క్ సారీ బేజ్ కలర్. ఆల్ ఓవర్ ఫ్లోరల్స్ అండ్ లీవ్స్ కలంకారీ. బార్డర్ వచ్చేసి ఫ్లోరల్స్ అండ్ బార్డర్. The border. With peacocks. Pallu is with peacocks and the blouse contrast maroonish red color all over weave with border. Sari pricing and details. 6,400. Take a screenshot along with the code AH351. Next saree. Maroonish red kalamkari saree. Florals and paisleys and leaves. Border floral vines, paisleys, plain black color border. Pallu. Beautiful ladies, lovely ladies here. Human motif and blouse vachesi grey color, all over weave, hand painted chindandi. Yeah, this one, yes. Saree pricing and details. 6,400. Take a screenshot along with the code AH342. Next saree. Beige tussar silk saree. Grey color, beige and grey itla mixed undandi. All over zari lines, zari checks, beautiful kalamkari hand painted florals and lovely kaddi border here. Pallu, Lord Shri Krishna motif. Blouse, self running blouse. Yes, this is the blouse, yes, with florals. Saree pricing and details. 10,800. Take a screenshot along with the code AH343. Next saree. Beautiful kalamkari tussar silk saree, all over florals. Reddish red shade lo undandi idantha. Border vachesi beige, yellow and beige ala undi. Floral vines with beautiful peacocks. This is the pallu. Pallu again I need to show like this. Wow, such a stunning motifs. It's a god motif. Yeah, it's none other than Lord Venkateshwara. And blouse, contrast, plain with border. So beautiful and so divine collection. Saree pricing and details. 10,800. Take a screenshot along with the code AH348. మనం పెట్టి ప్రైస్ జస్ట్ ఈ వాళ్ళ హార్డ్ వర్క్ పెయింటింగ్కే పెట్టచ్చండి. ఇన్స్పైట్ ఆఫ్ ఆ సారీని పక్కన పెట్టండి, వాళ్ళ ఆర్ట్కి పెట్టచ్చు. యా, లెట్స్ సీ దిస్ సారీ ఓవరాల్ లుక్ వన్స్. కలంకారీ సారీస్ అన్నీ చాలా డివైన్గా క్లాసీగా ఉంటాయండి. యాక్చువల్లీ నాకు ఒక్కొక్క సారీని అలా మునిగిపోతూ ఉంటాను ఆ సారీస్ చూపిస్తూ ఉన్నప్పుడు. అంత డివైన్గా ఉంటుంది, చాలా క్లాసీ ఫీలింగ్ కలుగుతుంది, ఒక మంచి ఫీలింగ్ కలుగుతుంది కలంకారీ సారీస్ చూస్తుంటే. నెక్స్ట్ సారీ ఇందాక చూపించాను కదా, ఒకసారి ఆ లుక్ చూసేద్దాం. సో బ్యూటిఫుల్, వా, నాకు ఆ పళ్ళు చాలా నచ్చింది. Next pretty saree. It's a cotton, మంగళగిరి కాటన్. ఈ బార్డర్ చూడంగానే మనకు అర్థమైపోలేదు మంగళగిరి కాటన్ అని చెప్పేసి. All over lovely peacocks and florals, and border indigo blue along with the zari border, the kalamkari border, and this is the pallu, very pretty pallu, dark black color with peacock, and this is the blouse, black color, all over kalamkari print, beautiful border. Sari pricing and details. Pure cotton andi, 5166, very soft and lightweight cotton saree. Next saree, pink and blue, beautiful saree, very blush pink and very light pink. All over kalamkari, hand painted florals and leaves, beautiful contrast blue color plain border along with the cross kadi border. It's a kanchi kalamkari. Pallu vachesi peacocks, blouse maroon color vachindi with all over hand paint vachindi with border. Saree pricing and details. ఇది కంచి కలంకారీ which cost 23,999. Next saree, one more kanchi kalamkari which is in green color, sea green, all over fishes, bubble stems and florals, mushrooms, and border chesi cross kadi border as well as downside drop shape buttas. Kalamkari, and this is the pallu వచ్చేసిందండి, బ్యూటిఫుల్ పళ్ళు వచ్చేసింది. యా, వెరీ బ్యూటిఫుల్. Cows with stems and leaves, florals, చాలా ప్రెట్టీగా ఉంది పళ్ళు. చెప్పాను కదండి కలంకారీ వచ్చిందండి, నాకు అది చూడడమే సరిపోతుంది నాకు సారీని. అండ్ దిస్ ఇస్ ద బ్లౌజ్, కాంట్రాస్ట్ ఆలివ్ గ్రీన్ లో వచ్చింది విత్ ఆల్ ఓవర్ హ్యాండ్ పెయింటెడ్ ఫ్లోరల్స్ అండ్ లీవ్స్ అలాంగ్ విత్ ద బార్డర్స్. సారీ ప్రైసింగ్ అండ్ డీటెయిల్స్. ఇది కంచి కలంకారీ విచ్ కాస్ట్ 23,999. నెక్స్ట్ సారీ, brown color, very light brown color saree, all over florals. It's a borderless saree andi with beautiful colorful florals, and this is the pallu, peacocks and florals, beige color pallu. Blouse, very pretty blouse, లైట్ ఎలాంటి లైట్ బేబీ పీచ్ కలర్ లో ఉందండి విత్ ఆల్ ఓవర్ ఫ్లోరల్స్ అండ్ బార్డర్. బార్డర్లెస్ సారీ, అంత కలంకారీ. 7,200 is the price. Take a screenshot along with the code Y468. And dear ladies, do you all know how to follow us on our digital platforms? Let's have a look. I'll be quick in a look in a while. Next saree, Kalamkari pure crepe silk andi. Very pretty. It's a pure crepe. All over. Dual cocks and rounds. Florals and leaves. And border contrast maroon color. Floral vines hand painted with plain black color 1-inch border. And this is the pallu, which is in mustard with very pretty peacock. Blouse mustard yellow with all over floral and border. Everything is in hand paint. It's a pure crepe silk. Sari pricing and details. 10,720. Take a screenshot along with the code MJ2416. Next sari. Yeah, it's a matka kalamkari. Fabric is matka, hand painted kalamkari fishes, florals and leaves. Blue color, indigo blue, and border kadi border. Pallu olive green. Beautiful zari lines, plain వచ్చిందండి మిడిల్ లో zari lines వచ్చాయి, కలంకారీ బార్డర్ కూడా వచ్చింది. బ్లౌజ్ వచ్చేసి ఆలివ్ గ్రీన్ విత్ zari lines and border. ఈ మధ్య కాలంలో ఆలివ్ గ్రీన్ చాలా నచ్చుతుంది, డార్క్ అయితే చాలా బాగుంది కలర్. సారీ ప్రైసింగ్ అండ్ డీటెయిల్స్. 13,920. It's a matka. Take a screenshot along with the code AH270. Next saree. Next saree. Yes, Tassa Kalamkari. Very pretty flowers. Flowers కొంచెం యూనిక్ గా ఉన్నాయి, డిఫరెంట్ గా ఉన్నాయి పర్పుల్ కలర్ తో. కడి బార్డర్ బ్లాక్ కలర్. పల్లు సో కలర్ఫుల్, పీకాక్స్ చాలా మల్టీ కలర్స్ వచ్చాయండి, వెరీ కలర్ఫుల్ పల్లు. అండ్ బ్లౌజ్ ఇండిగో బ్లూ ఆల్ ఓవర్ కలంకారీ హ్యాండ్ పెయింట్ విత్ బార్డర్. సారీ ప్రైసింగ్ అండ్ డీటెయిల్స్. Beige and black. 10,720. Take a screenshot along with the code U322. Next saree. Red color, florals and leaves, lotus, kaddi border. Beautiful floral trees and lovely face motifs of a lovely ladies, and blouse contrast all over kalamkari hand paint along with the border. It's a pure silk pattu saree. 17,680. Take a screenshot along with the code AF36. సారీ ఓవరాల్ లుక్ ఒకసారి చూసేద్దాం. నెక్స్ట్ బ్యూటిఫుల్ సారీ, గ్రే కలర్ టస్సర్ కలంకారీ విత్ బేజ్ కాంబినేషన్, ఆల్ ఓవర్ ఫ్లోరల్స్ అండ్ లీవ్స్, స్టెమ్స్, border kaddi border, pallu zari lines with motifs, human motifs here, and Lord Krishna in the middle, and god and goddess motifs vachayandi pallu lo. And blouse maroon color with all over hand paint and border. 11,200 is the price. Take a screenshot along with the code AD565. So indaka nenu chuvinchanu kada saree pure kanchi kalamkari. Let's have a quick look. Next saree. Beautiful mustard yellow, pure silk kalamkari, all over florals and leaves, and beautiful border, plain with downside leaf buttas. And this is the pallu, peacock, maroon color pallu, beautiful peacocks. Blouse, contrast, maroon color with all over florals and border. Everything is in hand paint. And saree pricing and details. 6,400. Take a screenshot along with the code AH350. And we ship globally within Hyderabad. We are providing cash and delivery option for customized designer blouses like this beautiful blouses. Do contact us on our brand. R for Rupamani, another brand from our brand Mandar, which is exclusive for the unique designs. Any query regarding designing, just ping us on 733 733 7000. Let's see another saree. Very lovely peach tussar kalamkari. All over trees, tree butta, stems, leaves and florals. Kaddi border. Lovely pallu, blue color. Very beautiful pallu with zari lines. God motifs. God and goddess motifs. So beautiful. And blouse వచ్చేసి blue color, contrast with florals, zari lines and border. చాలా బాగా వచ్చింది blouse. Saree price 10,800. Take a screenshot along with the code AH349. Next saree. Very beautiful silk saree and pure crepe silk saree, all over florals, beige color florals, and the border vachesi 1 inch plain black border with leaf buttas. And this is the pallu, beautiful peacocks, contrast pallu. Blouse is also contrast, all over kalamkari hand paint along with the border. Saree pricing and details 6,400. Take a screenshot along with the code AH344. Next saree. Lovely tussar. So colorful cows. Black color andi, black and beige combination lo undi. Kaddi border, it's a tussar kalamkari. And pallu vachesi fishes, cows, zari lines, florals, so many. Beautiful pallu. Blouse, contrast mustard, light pale mustard with border. Saree pricing and details 11,200. Take a screenshot along with the code AD567. Beautiful kada. Next saree. Pattu kalamkari and rust color, reddish rust color shade undi. All over florals, hand painted florals. Kaddi border. Pallu, wow, water theme, bubbles, beautiful god motif, water bubbles, florals. Blouse, contrast mustard with all over florals and border. Saree pricing and details 15,120. Take a screenshot along with the code. Send us on 733 733 7000. Next saree. Tussar kalamkari, beautiful zari checks and very pretty peacocks, floral stems, kaddi border, pallu. This is the pallu. God motif, Zari lines, motifs. Blouse. Yes. Indigo blue blouse with all over florals and zari checks along with the border. Sari pricing and details. 10,800. Take a screenshot along with the code AH361. Next gorgeous sari. Beige tussar sari. All over beautiful peacocks, deers and cows వచ్చాయండి. Florals and leaves. Kaddi border. Beige color sari. Beautiful pallu with lovely peacocks, deers, everything. Florals, zari lines. Blouse వచ్చేసి contrast pink color with all over hand painted and border. Kalamkari hand paint. 10,720 is the price. Take a screenshot along with the code Q594. Next sari. Beige kalamkari sari, beige and black combination. All over kalamkari floral jal. Lovely pallu with woman motifs. Beautiful and lovely, very pretty humans. And blouse, pallu contrast, blouse contrast andi. Maroon color all over florals and border. Sari pricing and details. 6,400. Take a screenshot along with the code AH352. Blue color. Indigo blue, very lovely. Butterflies, florals. Kaddi border. Pallu, beautiful pink color pallu. Same Lord Venkateshwara motif. So cute and beautiful sari. And blouse kuda chala pretty ga vachindi. Let me show you. Such a lovely color. So soothing kada. With zari lines and hand painted florals along with the kaddi border. Sari pricing and details. Overall look chuseddam ee sari di. 10,800. Take a screenshot along with the code AH341. Dear ladies, do you all know how to follow us on our digital platforms? Let's have a quick look. I'll be back in a while. Now back to our collection. Lovely brown color. All over zari checks. It's a tussar kalamkari, beige color, beige and maroon combination. All over zari checks, beautiful florals and border, kaddi border. And this is the pallu, lovely maroon color pallu with peacocks and florals. And the blouse, contrast maroon color with zari checks, florals and border. Sari pricing and details. 11,440. Take a screenshot along with the code MJ4615. lovely maroon silk saree, reddish maroon, all over florals, border, grey color border, plain and leaf border, and this is the pallu, beautiful blue color pallu with peacocks and florals, and the blouse, very pretty blue shade with motifs and border. Saree pricing and details 6,400. Take a screenshot along with the code AH353. Next saree, it's a Kanchi Kalamkari Pattu saree and silk saree, which is in stunning black color, florals, lotus, leaves, border వచ్చేసి కడ్డీ border, so pretty అండి, lovely pallu, hearts well వచ్చింది, మట్కాస్ సో లవ్లీ కదా, ఒక బిలీస్ థీమ్ లాగా వచ్చింది, భలే ఉంటాయండి కలంకారీ పల్లూస్ కానీ శారీస్ కానీ. దిస్ ఇస్ ద బ్లౌజ్, కాంట్రాస్ట్ beige color with all over florals and border. Saree pricing and details 15,120. Take a screenshot along with the code X555. Next saree, it's a khadi kalamkari, beautiful kalamkari hand painted andi, very light green lo undandi, mint green shade lo, peacocks వచ్చాయి, florals వచ్చాయి all over body, and this is the border, zigzag triangle blocks వచ్చాయి, and మనకి thread and kaddi border కూడా వచ్చింది. పల్లు elephants, blouse, yeah, which is an indigo blue, saree thread lines and the black color lines వచ్చాయి with border. Saree pricing and details 12,000. Take a screenshot along with the code U316. Next saree, lovely blue color kalamkari silk saree, all over florals and leaves, hand painted, border plain grey with leaves, and this is the pallu, beautiful god motifs. Blouse వచ్చేసి grey color, all over florals and border. $6,400. Take a screenshot along with the code AH345. Next saree, lovely saree andi, it's a pattu saree, women face motifs వచ్చాయి in rounds, beautiful lotus in rounds, kaddi border, pallu kaddi with beautiful face motifs, blouse వచ్చేసి yellow color with lotus buttas and border, kaddi border. Saree pricing and details 13,200. Take a screenshot along with the code AD122. Saree overall look ఒకసారి చూసేద్దాం. Lovely yellow, beautiful bright yellow, such a pretty silk saree, all over peacocks and rounds, floral vines, lovely kaddi border, pallu, peacocks and florals, blouse, silk with lotus buttas and border. Saree pricing and details 14,400. Take a screenshot along with the code K506. నెక్స్ట్ ఇందాక చూపించాను కదండి బ్యూటిఫుల్ ఫేస్ మోటివ్. లెట్స్ హావ్ ఎ క్విక్ లుక్. బ్లూ కలర్ కలంకారీ సిల్క్ సారీ. Next saree. Wow. Lovely Tessa kalamkari with all over florals, which is in maroon color. Florals and leaves, stems. Lovely kaddi border. Pallu, zari lines and peacocks. Blouse, contrast olive green with border. Plain blouse with border. Saree pricing and details. 11,440. Take a screenshot along with the code D590. Next pretty saree. Tassa kalamkari with Ganga Jamuna border. ఎంత ముద్దుగా ఉందో చూడండి అసలు. ఇలా వేసుకోవాలండి. ఇలా సారీస్ ఉన్నప్పుడు యూ హ్యావ్ టు టీమ్ అప్ లైక్ దిస్ అనమాట. ఇలా అందంగా బాగుంది కదా. ఆల్ ఓవర్ మనకి కలంకారీ చెక్స్ వచ్చాయి. ఫ్లోరల్స్ అండ్ లీవ్స్ బర్డ్ బూటీస్ వచ్చాయి. డౌన్ సైడ్ రాయల్ బ్లూ బార్డర్ ప్లెయిన్ విత్ టెంపుల్స్ అండ్ కడ్డీ లైన్స్, and upper side we got parrot green color border. Pallu, lovely kaddi pallu which is in royal blue. In the blouse, gorgeous blue color with lines and border. Saree pricing and details. Wow, 11,920 and take a screenshot along with the code AD266. Yeah. Yes. Dear ladies, do you all know how to follow us on our digital platforms? Let's have a quick look. I'll be coming in a while. Next saree. Lovely matka silk saree which is in grey color. Grey ante kuda oka lanti khaki color antaru kadandi, that color. And beautiful florals and motifs here. Border, plain border. Maroon color. Upper side we got green color border, Ganga Jamuna borders. Pallu, it's a ikkat lines వచ్చాయండి. ఇలా ikkat డిజైన్ వచ్చింది. బ్లౌజ్ వచ్చేసి కాంట్రాస్ట్ ప్లెయిన్ విత్ బార్డర్. సారీ ప్రైసింగ్ అండ్ డీటెయిల్స్ 15,120. Take a screenshot along with the code MJ4603. Next adripoye saree vastundandi. Yes, peach color, rendu peach colors, border kuda peach color bit darker shade. In the middle we got lighter peach, beautiful florals and very lovely lady motifs. They are playing kolatam, very pretty kada. Florals kuda vachai, such a lovely art andi. Plain border with darker shade with leaf border, and this is the pallu, super gorgeous pallu. Yes, side color unnai, same motifs with they are playing kolatam. Blouse, contrast plain half white with border. Saree pricing and details and overall look chuseddam. 16,400. Take a screenshot along with the code AH356. Saree overall look okasari chuseddam. Alopu inkokasari chuseddam. Beige color kalamkari silk saree, all over florals and leaves, plain border with zigzag border. And this is the pallu, peacocks, black color pallu, stunning black color, and blouse vachesi, yes, mustard yellow andi blouse, floral jal vachindi, hand painted with border. Saree pricing and details, yes, 6,400. 6,400 and take a screenshot like this with saree and send us on 733 733 733 7000 733 733 7000. ఇందాక నేను చూపించాను కదా లైట్ పీచ్ అండ్ డార్క్ పీచ్ షేడెడ్ లో కలంకారీ సారీ సిల్క్ సారీ బ్యూటిఫుల్ గా ఉంది. లెట్స్ హావ్ ఎ క్విక్ లుక్. Now back to our sarees. Lovely peach color tassar kalamkari saree. Adi peach. Lovely jari checks and beautiful florals and leaves. Kalamkari hand painted and kaddi border both sides. And pallu beautiful motifs. God and God of motifs with zari lines. And blouse vachesi blue color zari checks with floral buttas. Saree price 10,800. Take a screenshot along with the code AH359. Next saree, indigo blue tassar kalamkari silk saree, peacocks, fishes, florals and vines, and lovely kaddi border. And the blue and black shade, black lo undandi idantha saree, my favorite blue and black combinations. And this is the pallu, lovely fishes and florals, peacocks, zari lines. Blouse grey color with border, kalamkari and kaddi border. Saree pricing and details 11,200. Take a screenshot along with the code, send us on 733 733 7000. And ilanti sarees ki ila kuda team up cheyachandi. Blouse And for customized blouses, contact us on our brand or for Rupamani, another brand from our brand Mandar, which is exclusive for the unique designs. Any query regarding designing, just ping us on 733 733 7000. Next saree. ఇది వచ్చేసి మనకి ఆరెంజ్ అండ్ పీచ్ ఇట్లా షెడెడ్ లాగా ఉందండి. షేడ్ మిక్స్డ్ టోన్లో ఉంది. And lovely stems and leaves, hand painted. It's a Tussar kalamkari, beautiful border, plain with darker maroonish brown color. And this is the pallu, beautiful peacocks, contrast pallu. Blouse is also contrast, which is an indigo blue, all over floral jal with border. Everything is in hand paint. And saree pricing and details, it's a Tussar, 10,800. Take a screenshot along with the code AH347. Next saree. Kanchi kalamkari. Blue color, very dark blue. Greenish, the teal blue shade and the all over flower buds, peacocks and stems. Beautiful zari kaddi border as well as floral vines border, hand painted. This is the pallu, which is in contrast. Alternate ga vachindandi zari and kalamkari borders in the pallu. Blouse beige, the half white color with florals and border. And saree pricing and details, it's a Kanchi kalamkari which costs 19,999. 19,999 and take a screenshot like this and send us on 733 733 7000. Next saree. Next saree. Wow. It's a mint green Tussar kalamkari. Florals and leaves, stems. And this is the kaddi border. Pallu, Lord Venkateshwara motifs, very pretty andi. This is the blouse, indigo blue, florals, zari lines and border. Saree pricing and details, 10,800. Take a screenshot along with the code AH346. So ఇంతకు ముందు చూపించాను కదా కంచి కలంకారీ సారీ. లెట్స్ హావ్ ఏ క్విక్ లుక్. అలాగే దాని ప్రైసింగ్ అండ్ డీటెయిల్స్ కూడా నోట్ డౌన్ చేసుకోండి. సారీ ప్రైస్ వచ్చేసి 19,999 అండి. టేక్ ఎ స్క్రీన్ షాట్ అలాంగ్ విత్ ద కోడ్ AH355. And next saree, indigo blue with black combination, floral all over, floral jal with kalamkari hand paint, border plain black color as well as florals. This is the pallu, contrast black color with stunning peacock, and blouse blue and black. Wow, super gorgeous combination andi. All over floral jal ochindi with hand painted kalamkari and border. Saree pricing and details, 6,400. And dear ladies, do you all know how to follow us on our digital platforms? Just have a quick look. I'll be coming in a while. Yes. Next saree. Peach tussar kalamkari saree with all over zari checks, hand painted florals and leaves, kaddi border, pallu, beautiful motifs, human motifs, and blouse vachesi indigo blue with zari checks, florals and border. Saree pricing and details. 10,800. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 733 7000. Yeah. Yes, my sari. It's a pure Benny crepe sari, kalamkari. So pretty and very lovely sari. Sari pricing and details. 13,200. And one more thing, you no need to worry Andy, because you have 24 hours time and this live video will be saved in Instagram, IGTV, Facebook as well as YouTube. So 24 hours time lo మీరు ఎప్పుడైనా మీకు నచ్చిన సారీని స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీసి మాకు వాట్సాప్ చేయొచ్చు. ఈ వీడియో ఎలాగో సేవ్ ఉంటుంది కాబట్టి ఒకటికి 10 సార్లు చూసుకోవచ్చండి బ్యాక్ వెళ్ళి మీకు ఏ సారీ నచ్చిందో. సో యూ హ్యావ్ టైమ్ అనమాట 24 hours. వీవర్స్ ప్రైసెస్ అనేది అప్లికబుల్ ఉంటుంది. లెట్స్ మూవ్ టు ద మానిక్వీన్ సారీస్ అండ్ ది ప్రైసెస్. Lovely Kanchi Kalamkari, which is in yellow and red combination, all over florals and leaves. Lovely kaddi border, silver zari border, contrast, and peacocks in rounds, contrast pallu, rich kaddi, and contrast blouse. Sari pricing and details. 27,999. It's a Kanchi Kalamkari. Next saree. A lovely tussar, matka tussar Kalamkari, which is in blue color, sea blue, all over lovely lotus and stems. Pallu vachesi contrast mustard yellow with florals. Blouse kuda mustard lo untundandi. Saree pricing and details. 14,160. Take a screenshot along with the code AH339. Next saree, gorgeous blue color, beautiful saree, all over stems with mushrooms, daffodils and birds achai, and lovely border with lotus and cross kaddi. Ivanni daffodils. చాలా ప్రిటీగా ఉంది. అండ్ దిస్ ఇస్ ద పల్లు, బ్లాక్ కలర్, అండ్ బ్లౌజ్ కూడా మనకి ఇదే కలర్లో ఉంటుందండి, బ్లాక్ కలర్లో పికాక్ వచ్చింది. సారీ ప్రైసింగ్ అండ్ డీటెయిల్స్. 23,999. Kanchi Kalamkari. Q113 is the code. And this gorgeous blouse is from our brand, which is exclusive for the unique designer blouses. Any query regarding designing, just ping us on 733 733 7000. And we ship globally within Hyderabad. We are providing cash and delivery option. So ippadi varaku nenu chuvinchina sarees, let's have a quick look. Hope you all liked our today's beautiful kalamkaris and my most all-time favorite collections andi. Meeku nachina saree ni ventane screenshot tisi maku ping cheyandi 733 733 7000 number ki, and to follow us regularly in Instagram and Facebook as well as YouTube for more updates and more notifications. Rebird live lo malli kalustanu. Until then, bye bye, take care, love you all, stay safe, stay healthy, bye.